In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your website on Wix Studio. Whether it's a welcome message, a podcast clip, or background music, you can add it in minutes. We'll use Wix Studio's mini player so your audio looks clean and works across desktop and mobile. Open your site in the Wix Studio editor on the page where you want the sound to live. At the top left, click the plus icon to open the Add panel. This is the menu for everything you can place on a page. From here, choose Media. Media is where Wix keeps audio, images, and video tools, and it's the quickest path to the built-in audio players. In Media, find Mini Players. These are compact audio controls that drop right into your layout. Click and drag a mini player onto the canvas, then release it where you want it to appear. You can nest it inside a section or container, and the smart guides will help you line things up for a clean, balanced design. With the mini player selected, choose Change Track. This tells the player which audio to use. It's a simple switch you can update anytime, so don't worry about getting locked in. You can always replace the track later. Now upload your audio file or paste its URL. Uploading adds the file to your site's media library and is great for MP3 or M4A files that load quickly. If you use a link, make sure the URL is publicly accessible so the player can stream it reliably. After the file finishes uploading or the link is verified, you'll see the track title, and you can press play right in the editor to confirm it works. At this point, your audio is active on the page. On preview and on the live site, visitors will be able to play, pause, and scrub through the track using the mini player controls. For the smoothest experience, keep file sizes reasonable and only use audio you have rights to share. Remember that many browsers limit autoplay, so giving visitors a clear play button usually provides the most consistent behavior, and that's really all it takes. Open the Add panel, choose Media, drag in a mini player, change the track, and connect your audio by upload or URL.